Good day to you, everyone. Today, we're going to be putting the Monument Grill to the test. It is a very chilly 22 degrees Fahrenheit outside with a whole bunch of snow. And we have a hankering for some grilled burgers. So while most people are going to go ahead and tuck their grill away for the winter, not wanting to be out in the cold, we're going to go ahead and see how the Monument Grill maintains its temperature and grills up some of our favorite burgers. And of course, I stepped inside for what seemed like just a few minutes to go ahead and patty out those burgers, and our son has left us. So that's okay, because better to see this grill at night because it has some beautiful lights. But we're gonna go ahead and light this grill up. So let's turn on that propane. I do like these magnetic doors on here, very nice. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Let's go ahead and flip on our lights too. So look at those lights. Those beautiful blue lights. And let's start that fire. Let's open this up so we can take a good peek at things though. Now that we have that propane on, let's go ahead and turn on our grill. So we're going to turn on all of our burners. All four of these burners up here we're going to turn on. And then we have our electronic ignition on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Look at that flame. So with the touch of a button, we have our grill all lit up, getting nice and toasty. So we're going to let this get nice and hot. Again, the sun's gone down and it was 22, so it's going to be dropping. The grill has gotten nice and hot. I was actually out here just a moment ago and I went ahead and cleaned off these grates. Look how beautiful those cast irons look after just a quick rundown. So the grill is about 400 degrees right now, doing pretty nice considering the temperature outside. You can see those flames evenly heating our grill. So we're gonna go ahead and throw on some sliders. We have quite a few sliders. And there we have it. We have a total of 22 little sliders on there. It's a grand total of a little over 3 pounds of ground beef. So we have plenty of room on here. We actually have some more room over here. Essentially that fourth burner is left open. We do have some broccoli. I just toss it on top. I'll throw it down here in just a little while because it shouldn't take very long. But those little sliders won't take too long either. We are actually going to use that side burner as well. So with our sliders, we are going to have some mushroom Swiss sliders. So we have some beautiful mushrooms. We have some beautiful mushrooms here, all sliced up with some butter, some garlic, and some other accoutrements, making them super tasty. So we're gonna go ahead and let those get all nice and happy out here. Upon closing that lid, we're just shy of 300. Of course, remember it's 22 degrees outside or lower. So that temperature should be going up a bit. What's really neat about this grill is you can actually sit back. Due to it being so cold outside, you can take a peek inside and see how your food is doing. So I can see our burgers are starting to get that little sweat on them. They've only been on for just a moment. But of course, our temperature is raising in there a little bit now that we have that lid closed and we're getting that heat back up to where it needs to be to get these burgers nice and happy. Let's take a peek at these mushrooms here too. Ooh, look at that. Those are looking good. We're rocking about 375 or so. I have turned it down quite a bit, but let's take a peek inside. Look at those little sliders. They look great. It's definitely time to flip them, but they have been doing very nice in here. Little flyover for you so you can take a peek at it. Oh, it smells incredible. Got a little flare up with the temperature out here. We have fewer flare ups, it seems. Just pop some cheddar and some Swiss on those burgers. They are looking absolutely juicy and delicious. Everything is just about done and ready to just get cheesy and ooey gooey. So just a couple of minutes and we'll have some delicious burgers on our hands. Just what I was looking for was some ooey gooey cheese on those burgers. They are looking good. Let's go ahead and get them off the grill, get them on their slider buns, and enjoy a delicious ooey gooey cheeseburger straight from the grill. Let's go ahead and get those burgers off the grill and go enjoy them during some very, very cold weather. But we get some delicious grilled burgers. If you guys would like some more information on this Monument Grill, make sure to check that link down below in the description for all of the details, specifications, and of course price. This grill has been great regardless of the temperature outside. It makes some delicious food. I love the lights. All of the extras with this grill are awesome. Those burgers were amazing. So amazing that it is the next evening and we're making dinner on the grill again. To minimize cleanup inside, why not? The winter is not going to stop us from grilling. So tonight we're gonna go ahead and do some chicken, and then on our side burner, we're gonna go ahead and do some couscous. Why not? Make dinner outside, even if there's snow. Take a look at that. Just a quick scrub down with our chainmail, and we have a nice clean grill. This was a cheesy, ooey gooey mess if you saw before and after. Nice and clean. We are ready to go ahead and get started with our dinner. So we have a bunch of seasoned chicken, just some peppers and some onions to go ahead and toss on the grill and get some of that summertime flavor while we are relaxing with the snow. On the side burner, we are going to go ahead and start some couscous. We have some pearled couscous, water, and a little olive oil in there. So let's get this one going. Like that. And this grill, actually last night, it cooked so fast. So we are gonna cook a little lower because this grill cooks nice and hot, regardless of your temperature. I was really happy with the performance of the grill last night. So this might become a regular thing in the winter to just pop out here with our Monument Grill and cook chicken, cook anything you want, and have that summertime flair during those wintertime temperatures. Lots of chicken on there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some veggies over here. Just some thick onion slices. There's just something about cooking outside on the grill that gives you that summertime feel. And obviously it's way not summer. Let's go ahead and turn this one way down. We don't need a ton of heat on this side, but more than what that top rack's gonna give us right now. Then we have all of our peppers. We'll just toss on too. This retained the heat like crazy. So I think we should be doing pretty good tonight too. Oh, the peppers already smell good. The onions already smell good. Chicken is nice. All right. Looks like we dropped down to 200 degrees. Well, we'll see. We'll let this get back up to temperature. But again, I did dial this back to like a low medium. And then this burner I turned way back too. So we're gonna have to see how we're doing. We got our couscous. Obviously that fire is just started, so. Ooh, that couscous is looking pretty good. So fresh, clean pair of tongs. We're just gonna give it a little spin there. Wow, look at that. There we go. Let's take a peek at this chicken. It has been about 8 minutes and it looks great. So we need to go ahead and flip over our veggies and our chicken, but we're gonna start with our veggies with our clean tongs. Oh, look at those grill marks. Beautiful onions. Smells great. This smells incredible. There we go. Got some onions trying to run away here. Nice grill marks there. Oh, look at that pepper. I love grilling. I missed it. I haven't been grilling lately because it has been so chilly. I didn't want to be out here. But this one has proven that you can do it. So no snow in the forecast, yet it's chilly and we can grill up some yummy food. So again, if you want any details on the Monument Grill, this one's really cool, matte blue. Obviously you can't see that right now. Ooh, that's doing happy. Again, I turn this way down because it's cooking hot. If you want some information on the Monument Grill, check that link down below in the description for all of those details, specifications, price, all the things that I've missed. I also did do an assembly video and like a first cook on here. I'll link that down there too, just so you can get those details if you need them. So far, so good on this grill. We've used it a few times and we have liked it. This is our new go-to. I do like the, grills that have the wood pellets and stuff. That's fun to use. But a propane grill that you can take a peek through a window and see what's going on the inside. That's really awesome too. That way you can keep that temp where you want it without letting all that heat escape. Because obviously right now, while I'm flipping all this over, we have heat just coming on out. That's okay though. This one can handle it. Some grills, you go ahead and open it up and they have to get back up to temperature for a while. This one doesn't seem to really need that. These cast iron grates in here certainly have you covered. So look at that. Oh, we forgot to turn our lights on. There we go. Now we have our lights on. Look how awesome this grill looks. It looks even better with those lights. You know, you wouldn't think so, but those lights, they just give you that ambiance. Oh, love it. You're getting a little reflection because of the light, but you can totally look inside there and take a peek at your food and see how we're doing without letting all of the heat out. I just got done flipping it, so we're a little over 200 right now, creeping back up, but this retains the heat pretty stinking well. So we're gonna go ahead and actually grab a pan to pull everything, because by the time I go inside and back out, we're gonna be ready. Look at this chicken. It looks amazing, and it's still juicy. That's exactly what you want. You don't want dry little chunks of chicken. We have juicy chicken here. We have some peppers and onions that are gonna be delicious. All right, time to go ahead and pull this off the grill. I did go ahead and grab some tortillas so we can warm tortillas, because what's better with some chicken, peppers, and onions than warm tortillas? I'd have to say it's another successful night on the Monument Grill. I'm sure this is going to be delicious. Look at the steam coming off this. We have to rush this inside in just a second. Our tortillas are looking tasty. I flipped them once. They don't need long just to get nice and warm and happy to go with this. Thank you all so much for joining me on our grilling adventure in the winter time. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.